That's not fair. That's not a complete skincare routine. I feel disappointed. Hey guys, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are doing great. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Madiha. I make videos about beauty, skincare and fashion. I'm a PhD chemist and I focus more on the science and the facts behind the beauty products, which means I check the ingredients and the formulation of the product and give my review based on the chemistry behind it. So Aisha Umar recently shared her morning and evening skincare routine and I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to do a reaction video today. So we are going to watch Aisha Umar's skincare routine together. हम देखेंगे कि आयशा उमर कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करती हैं एंड व्हाट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हर स्किन केयर रूटीन. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई जस्ट वांट टू पुट दिस आउट देयर दैट आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ आयशा उमर्स हार्ड वर्क एंड फिटनेस. शी लुक्स सो यंग एंड फिट एंड आई जस्ट अडोर हर फॉर दिस. और मैं ये वीडियो इसलिए भी बना रही हूँ बिकॉज आई लव टू लर्न फ्रॉम अदर स्किन केयर एक्सपीरियंसेस टू इंक्रीज माई ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट डिफरेंट स्किन टाइप्स एंड डिफरेंट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड विद दैट बीइंग सेड, let's watch the video. I have my laptop here in front of me and now I'm gonna play the video.
Hello everyone. This is Aisha Umar and today I am going for a meeting and I'm ready to take on the day. So let me go through my, not beauty routine but morning routine for you. Because of COVID, mask तो पहनना है आजकल लेकिन pretty भी लगना है. And sometimes of course we have to take our masks off when we're sitting distant from people. So masks की वजह से, by the way, a lot of people are experiencing acne because mask जब humid weather में आपकी skin को touch कर रहा होता है, so it is creating some irritation. I have super sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful कि मैं products कौन से use कर रही हूँ और mask कौन सा use कर रही हूँ. I prefer to wear fabric masks which are washable and reusable.
Okay, so she has started with a very important point और वो ये कि मास्क पहनने की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को मास्क एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. And because she has sensitive skin, so she prefers to use fabric mask, which is a very good idea. And that's because fabric masks are breathable, they are reusable, recyclable and they are environment friendly. और सिल्क फैब्रिक के बने हुए मास्क सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा स्किन को इरिटेट नहीं करते and they are very gentle on your skin compared to the polyester mask or other type of disposable face mask. एक और रीजन ये कि सिल्क फैब्रिक इज नॉट वाटर लविंग कंपेयर टू कॉटन, तो उसके ऊपर स्वेट और वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स कम एब्जॉर्ब होते हैं जिसकी वजह से बैक्टीरिया के ग्रो करने के चांसेस भी कम होते हैं. इसलिए थम्स अप फॉर द सिल्क मास्क.
My go-to day cream, my magic in a bottle, is this Physiogel Daily Defense Day Cream. Now I have very sensitive skin, so this particular cream, and it has SPF also. This is for dry and sensitive skin. I have both. I have dry and sensitive, and some parts are a little oily. Also, those people who have oily skin, उनको भी moisturize करने की ज़रूरत है. Don't think that you don't need to moisturize. Oiliness is actually your body's way of compensating for a lot of other things. So figure out which cream you can use. My favorite is this one. And after washing and drying my face and my hands, let's sanitize them right now. I always sanitize my hands before touching my face. And this sanitizer, by the way, is a really nice natural one. So it doesn't damage your skin too much. It doesn't irritate your skin. Okay.
So she has already washed her face. क्लिनजिंग का स्टेप कैमरे पर नहीं दिखाया. आई विश के दिखाया होता ताकि हम वो स्टेप भी जान सकते कि कौन सा क्लिनजर यूज किया है. आई वुड लव टू नो व्हाट क्लिनजर शी यूजेस, बट चलें जो बताया उसी के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो फेस क्लिनजिंग एंड हैंड वॉश के बाद शी सैनिटाइज्ड हर हैंड्स अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू हर विद अ नेचुरल क्लिनजर एंड शी शोड ग्लिसरीन, एलोवेरा एंड विटामिन ई as the ingredients of the sanitizer on the screen, but these three are just hydrating agents and humectants, and a sanitizer should have at least 75% alcohol to kill bacteria, which I assume it would have, and maybe she just forgot to mention that. और एक और बात ये कि आपको बार बार अल्कोहल अपने हाथों पर रब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, स्पेशली अगर आपने सोप के साथ हैंड वॉश कर लिए हैं, क्योंकि सैनिटाइजर्स का बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल आपकी स्किन को ड्राई कर सकता है. सैनिटाइजर्स के अंदर अल्कोहल होती है एटलीस्ट 75% और अल्कोहल आपकी स्किन को ड्राई कर देती है. आई थिंक just being extra cautious, but I don't think this step is necessary, especially if you have washed your hands properly.
So I wash and cleanse my face. After that I moisturize. और ये जो moisturizer है, it's got SPF. which means that it acts like a sunscreen as well. And sunscreen is extremely important, guys, especially in our part of the world. The rays are very strong. और अभी क्योंकि सुबह है, so I need a strong sunblock. और इसका SPF is 15, which is good enough because I'm going to be indoors. गाड़ी में गए and I'm doing an indoor meeting. But the sun is not very good for you midday time. 3 बजे के बाद की जो sunlight होती है, that's all right for you. उससे पहले की it's very harmful. So I love tanning, but I do it after.
Okay, so she does cleansing in the morning, which is not a necessary step for people with dry skin. अगर आपने अपनी evening skin care routine properly की है और अगर आप morning में बहुत ज़्यादा greasy और oily नहीं feel कर रहे, तो आपको दोबारा से cleanser इस्तेमाल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just wash your face with plain water. I've heard many dermatologists and skincare experts who have dry skin and they don't wash their face with a cleanser, क्योंकि cleanser का बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल भी आपकी skin को dry कर सकता है, especially if you are not using a good cleanser. And she is right about sunscreen. Sunscreen is a step that you cannot miss. Even in winter or on cloudy days, you have to wear sunscreen. Let's talk about the moisturizer she is using. It's Physiogel Daily Defense Protective Day Cream. It's a very good moisturizer और ये सिर्फ dry skin के लिए नहीं, normal और combination skin वालों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा moisturizer है. और इसके अंदर कुछ UV filters भी हैं जिसकी वजह से ये moisturizer sunscreen के तौर पे भी काम करता है. It has isomyl methoxycinnamide which is a UV filter और ये UVB rays के against skin को protect करता है. लेकिन ये UVA rays के against कोई खास protection provide नहीं करता. Remember, UVA rays are responsible for skin aging and wrinkles and UVB rays are responsible for skin burning and tanning. इसके अलावा इसके अंदर एक और UV filter है जिसका नाम है डाइथाइल अमीनो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइल हेक्साल बेंजोएट और ये UVA के अगेंस्ट एक्टिव है. एक और UV फिल्टर जो इस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर मौजूद है वो है टाइनोसॉर्ब S जो दोनों UVA और UVB रेज के अगेंस्ट इफेक्टिव है. सो इट्स अ ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम सनस्क्रीन. ये आपको दोनों UVA और UVB रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करती है एंड इट्स अ केमिकल सनस्क्रीन. केमिकल सनस्क्रीन मोस्टली सेंसिटिव और एक्नी प्रोन स्किन वालों को सजेस्ट नहीं की जाती, स्पेशली द अमेरिकन केमिकल सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज दे कैन इरिटेट योर स्किन एंड दे कैन काज एक्नी. बट दिस स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट हैज सम एडवांस्ड UV फिल्टर्स जो मोस्टली यूरोपियन और कोरियन सनस्क्रीन्स के अंदर यूज होते हैं. इसके अलावा इस मॉइस्चराइजर के अंदर है नाइसिनामाइड, शिया बटर, पेंटलिन ग्लाइकोल एंड प्रो विटामिन B5. सभी बहुत ही अच्छे इंग्रेडिएंट हैं. माई ओनली कंसर्न विद दिस प्रोडक्ट इज दैट SPF 15 is not enough sun protection. So SPF is the sun protection factor. It is the measurement of ultraviolet radiations. How much ultraviolet radiations are required before your skin starts to burn under the sun. आसान अल्फाज में इसका मतलब ये है कि आप कितनी देर सूरज की रोशनी में रह सकते हैं इससे पहले कि आपकी स्किन टैन होना या जलना स्टार्ट हो जाए. For example, if it takes 20 minutes for your bare skin to start burning under the sun and if you are wearing an SPF 15 sunscreen, then it means that you can stay 15 times longer in the sun, which is about 5 hours. But there is a twist to it. Because we have oil glands and sweat glands on our skin produces sweat and oil, especially when we are under the sun. And because of that oil and sweat, you are not getting complete SPF 15 and you need to reapply your sunscreen. So my suggestion is to apply at least SPF 30 sunscreen. Let's see what is coming up next.
Like I love being in the sun, but I do it after 3 p.m.
She didn't show us how much sunscreen she applied because the quantity matters too.
So जो texture है इस cream का, it's very light. It's not cream like very heavy and it doesn't make your face cakey क्योंकि makeup भी थोड़ा सा लगाना होता है बाद में. And if it's a very heavy moisturizer, your face becomes cakey and your makeup will look like it's there.
True. One thing I like about her is that she is applying the moisturizer in a very gentle and tapping motion. She is not rubbing it all over her face. And about lightweight moisturizer, that is because it has dicapryl carbonate, which is a very good emollient. बहुत easily आपकी skin पर spread हो जाता है और बहुत ही velvety सी feeling देता है skin को, बिल्कुल भी greasy और oily नहीं है. And now she has started doing her makeup, so I think the morning skincare routine is done. तो मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन में सिर्फ 2 प्रोडक्ट्स थे, एक क्लिनजर जिसका मेंशन नहीं किया ना दिखाया कौन सा क्लिनजर था और दूसरा मॉइस्चराइजर प्लस सनस्क्रीन which is a very good moisturizer but the sun protection is not enough.
One more product that I swear by is this Daily Moisture Therapy Cream. I don't use it on my face in the summer, I use it for my hands. So I treat it like a hand cream. Done. Gosh. And all set, guys.
Her mask is so cute. Okay, she did her makeup and I guess she used some Maybelline Fit Me products. And from this footage, I think she just applied some powder base, some blush, filled her eyebrows. Let's talk about her hand cream. It is Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy Cream for face, but she uses it as a hand cream. I would say it's a good choice. This is actually a face cream for dry and sensitive skin. और इसके अंदर कुछ बहुत अच्छे ingredients हैं like capryl triglyceride, shea butter, squalane जो कि human sebum के अंदर भी पाया जाता है. So it's a superb moisturizer and it's going to make your skin very smooth and nice. इसके अंदर ceramides 3 भी हैं. Ceramides को आप ऐसे समझें कि it's a glue for your skin cells. ये आपके skin barrier के लिए बहुत important है और ये आपकी skin को hydrated रखते हैं. Now let's watch the evening skincare routine. I'm gonna fast forward the video a little bit and I'm so excited for what's coming up in the evening skincare.
And I'm back, guys. Oh, it has been a hectic day. Very, very hectic. Even though let me down, but I've done a lot today.
I like the decor of her house.
The first thing I do as soon as I enter is wash my hands. Yeah, I did a lot today. I went for a meeting, then I had a video shoot.
Okay, so you need to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, but I think Aisha ने कोई 5 मिनट लगाए होंगे हैंड वॉश पर, but I guess in this case more is always good. She is being very careful in each step. I'm not sure if this is just for the video or this is something she does in her daily life. What can we say?
Follow me. I'm gonna take you guys to my bedroom. Ta-da! Nice. Oh.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous her house is? I mean, it feels so cozy. I'm just loving the decor and the whole vibe of it.
Although I'm exhausted, but my nightly routine involves cleansing. मुंह पे makeup हो, ना हो, ज़्यादा हो, कम हो, cleansing is extremely important. It's a sin to go to sleep with your makeup on, or with the pollution of the day. There's a lot of I don't know, dirt that your skin collects.
Exactly, this is the main reason of having acne and many skin related issues. Guys, you have to remove your makeup before going to bed.
And my favorite cleanser is the Daily Moisture Therapy Derma Cleanser. You're gonna see some magic.
Another Physiogel product. Is this video sponsored by Physiogel? Because it's not disclosed. Or she just happened to be a Physiogel fan and this is her actual skincare routine. Because this is the third product in her skincare routine, which is from Physiogel.
You can also rub it on your skin, thoda sa apply it, and then you can wipe it, or you can directly take it on some cotton and just start wiping it. Oops. Oh, rose water, organic rose water. ये होता है मेरा next step to take off the remnants of the cleanser and other.
Okay, so the cleanser she used is Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy Derma Cleanser. Let's break down the product. It has very small and simple ingredient list, which is actually good for sensitive skin. It has sodium cocoyl isothianate, which is a very mild and gentle surfactant, and it's very good for sensitive skin. It's a very mild cleanser, so I'm not sure if it can remove 100% of your makeup, especially if you are wearing waterproof or full coverage makeup. So make sure you do double cleansing, first to remove your makeup and then to wash your face with this cleanser. For the sake of this video, I got my hands on this cleanser, and after recording this video, I'm gonna remove my makeup with this cleanser and I'm gonna share the results with you guys. So she did the dry cleansing and she didn't wash her face before applying the toner, and she used rose water as a toner. Rose water एक बहुत ही अच्छा organic toner है और इसकी pH around 5.5 होती है, so it helps your skin to reset its pH. इसके अलावा rose water आपकी skin को soothing effect भी देता है और ये skin irritation को भी कम करता है. But why is she using a toner to remove the cleanser and the remaining makeup? I mean, how is it going to help?
To take off the remnants of the cleanser, and other times I use this really nice mask. It's a moisture mask, and I take it directly, apply it like this on my face, especially on my dry bits. These are my dry bits. Go, and I'm gonna let it stay.
Wait a minute. ये कौन सा मास्क था भाई? She didn't disclose what mask she used. Was it organic, homemade, or from some other brand? That's not fair. That's not a complete skincare routine. That's not fair. I feel disappointed. Your viewers want to know all about your skincare, Aisha. Otherwise, what's the point of sharing this?
And I'm gonna let it stay. You can wash it off or you can let it stay. So this was my daily cleansing routine in my favorite spot. Alright, I'm gonna change and hit the bed. Bye guys.
Now I am really disappointed. That was all. Okay, let's recap. She just followed one brand, Physiogel, and in her evening skincare routine, she used one cleanser and she did dry cleansing, and then she used rose water in the second step, and the third step was an unknown mask. I guess she uses the same cleanser in the morning, but she didn't explain that part, so I can't say anything about that. She is not washing her face with water, she is not properly removing her makeup, she is not doing double cleansing, she is not hydrating her skin, she is not doing any treatment, and because her skin is very clean and pigmentation free, so I highly doubt that she is not applying any serum or any kind of treatment. She is not even applying a moisturizer in the evening, unless that mask is a moisturizer that we don't know about. So I went in the comment section of this video and I asked about the mask in the hope that someone would reply. Unfortunately, no one replied. But after scrolling through other comments, I found this. Someone in the comment section said that this is Laneige water sleeping mask, and yeah, that looks a lot like that. To be honest, this is the smallest skincare routine that I have ever seen from any celebrity. It's based on just 2 products in the morning and 2 products in the evening. So let's talk about this water sleeping mask. It's a hydrating and moisturizing overnight repairing mask, and this is used for dryness, dullness and uneven texture. I also looked at the ingredients of this mask and it does have some good stuff, but I would say that it's just an overpriced moisturizer. There are many good products available in the market with great ingredients and with less price. And this water sleeping mask also has fragrance, coloring agents and silicones, which are not good for sensitive skin. Honestly, it felt like a Physiogel skincare routine. And I would like to add one more thing. Because she's in her 30s, so she need to add some anti-aging serum or product that has retinol in it in her skincare routine. Retinol is also known as vitamin A, and it's basically used for fine lines and wrinkles, and it's a very good anti-aging active ingredient. So that was all for today's video. I hope आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो and you have learned something from this video. Do follow me on Instagram. I share daily content on my Instagram account, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.